Some of the big advantages of the Claremont Village is that it's basically the center of this eclectic, inclusive community in Claremont. So you can shop there, you can get your entertainment there, you can buy books there, you can get olive oil recommendations, you can meet up with friends. It has the benefit of being like homey and welcoming, but at the same time, it represents so many different types of people and ways to live, and it's all a couple steps from your front door.
So I know we all want to save money, so gas is one of a big problem. So the cool thing about Oasis is the fact that there's going to be an Uber and Lyft drop-off and pickup area. It's close to the Metrolink station, and also there's a bike rental place. So other cool thing, you can also bring your pets along with you when you're coming.
So as far as floor plans go, we have 3 of them. We have the studio apartment, we have a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment, and a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment. We also offer a 10 and 12-month lease. So whether you want to go away for the summer or you want to get that dream job, that summer internship, there's going to be something for everybody.
So I'm most excited about is the swimming pool. I'm also excited that there's gonna be a lot of study lounges available because I know they are pretty limited.
You can walk to class and plan the rest of your day within a 3-mile area. And that's a pretty awesome experience.